In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cryptocurrency into your PDAX wallet efficiently and securely. This process is fairly simple, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transaction. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the PDAX website by typing in https://web.pdax.ph. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you haven't logged in before, you might have to go through additional security verification steps, like two-factor authentication, to ensure your account remains secure. Make sure you keep your login information handy, and always double-check you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login complications later. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to your portfolio. You'll usually find a link to it somewhere on the main dashboard, often at the top of the screen or in the side menu. Clicking on it will lead you to an overview of all your current holdings and transactions within PDAX. Here, you can track your investments and get a detailed view of how your assets are performing. Next up, you need to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit into your PDAX wallet. You'll find a list of available cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, in your portfolio. Take your time to browse through the options and make sure you're selecting the right one, as each digital currency has its own unique wallet address. Once you've chosen your desired cryptocurrency, it's time to proceed with the deposit. Look for the Deposit button, which is typically located next to the cryptocurrency or within its detail page. By clicking this button, you'll be taken to a page that provides the necessary information to complete your deposit. Here's the crucial part. You'll need to copy your PDAX wallet address. This unique wallet address is essentially your digital identifier on the blockchain network and is specific to the cryptocurrency you're dealing with. You have two options here. Either copy the displayed wallet address to your clipboard or use your mobile device to scan the QR code provided on the screen. Both methods serve the same purpose, so choose whatever is most convenient for you. Before wrapping up, double-check everything. Ensure that the wallet address you've copied or scanned is correct. A single error in these numbers can redirect your funds to the wrong wallet, potentially leading to a loss of assets. Taking these precautionary measures will save you from potential headaches and ensure a seamless depositing experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to depositing cryptocurrency into your PDAX account. Take your time with each step, and soon enough you'll feel more confident navigating your way through digital currency transactions. Remember to keep your account secure by logging out when you're done, and stay safe in the world of digital finance.